Welcome to Xatalog. In this video, you will learn how to review the prices of the catalog that you've already created and send it to your customers. If you've not already watched the previous video of how to design and create a new catalog, please do that. But now that you've designed and created a new catalog, you click on Review Prices and Send. In this screen, you'll see the name of the catalog that you're sending, all the customers that you're sending it to. So this is the first customer and there is one more customer that it's being sent to. All the items that have been selected to be sent in the catalog. So in this case, we've actually selected 91 items to be sent. You can click on each and every photograph and review whether you're sending the right things. As you can see that out here, one photograph is missing for dark blue enamel jhumka. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll remove this from the catalog. Let's say, for example, you've actually added some items that you don't want in your catalog. You can directly review from here and delete them as well. So I'm deleting all the items that I don't have photographs of. Now as I can see that all the items pretty much have a photograph associated to them. I can refresh. And now as you can see that there are 85 items which are left that are to be sent in the catalog. Now in order to review the prices, it is first very important to understand the 4 columns out here. Cost price relates to the base price that you have associated with each of the items. MRP is the top price or the maximum retail price that you have associated to that item. So this price is always crossed and you'd start seeing the selling price. As you can see that all the selling price is exactly the same as cost price. Obviously this is not viable for your business. So what traditionally is done is basically you'd actually upscale the prices of your selling price. So let's say if I select all the items out here, set the prices and increase the selling price by a percentage of, let's say, 10%. And update. You'll see that the selling prices have been updated by 10%. So they've been upscaled by 10% based on cost prices that were previously there. You can individually do that out here as well, where you can set up specific selling price for each of the items. You can mark some of the items as being featured. So basically they'll have a way in which they can be filtered. All the featured items can be filtered in this manner. Once you have reviewed all the prices, you can just go ahead and send it to your customers. However, let's say you want to revert all the prices. What you can do is you can select, or you can, let's say, select a couple of items out here like so, or select all the items at once and reset the prices from here. I'm not doing that. Basically what I mean to say is I've finalized all the 85 items that I'm willing to send to my customers, as well as I've reviewed all the prices. The next thing I'd want to do is basically either download it as an Excel sheet so that I can actually review it at length with a printout, or actually have an email attachment sent out separately as well. So what you can do is you can just include images as well in the email, in the Excel sheet that I'm downloading. As you can see, description is not good for me because I've not filled it in. So I can just delete this column, as well as unit is not applicable for me. And this is the basic catalog. I can really actually take this as an email attachment and send it separately as well, or just keep it on my file. But for now, I'll just close this. Once I've done this and I've verified that the catalog is correct, All I have to now do is send the customers the URL links. But before doing that, what we can do is you can also review the URLs before sending it out. So what I can do is I can copy a link from here, paste it on my browser, and this is exactly what the user sees. So before sending it out, we can directly just review what we are sending. As you can see that there are 85 items in the entire catalog that has been sent. The product types are earrings, pendants and rings because we did not send all the other product types. Only 3 of them we sent, so only those are appearing. In the material, we filtered on gemstones, so it's just showing the gemstone. And only the filters which are now applicable are showing up. Because we allowed the user to actually download the Excel sheet, they are getting this link as download. So by clicking here, the user will be able to download the same Excel sheet that you had downloaded earlier as well. So they'll be able to download it from here as well. They can now add or remove items from here, but obviously you'd not want to do that because otherwise it will start reflecting in their cart. But now that you've reviewed the catalog, all you have to do is basically send out an email, send out an SMS, or send both email as well as SMS. To be able to send out SMSs, make sure that the mobile numbers of the customers are already in the customers list, as well as you've got some SMS balance with us. Thank you.